How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to teach you how you can play video on your Apple Watch, and of course video with audio, and that you can even play back offline. You don't even need to be connected to the internet after you get it on your Apple Watch. It's truly amazing. So as you can imagine, we're gonna need to use our iPhone to do that because we don't have a dedicated specific app to play back video on the Apple Watch, but it's actually much easier than you think. All you have to do is go to our Messages app, and then we're pretty much gonna send the video that we want from our iPhone to our Apple Watch. And to do that, we're obviously just gonna need to send that message to ourselves. So then just open your own contact and then send that video to yourself. And then, as you guys can see, it's gonna be duplicate here, and the same story is gonna be duplicate on your Apple Watch, but that's no problem because we're gonna receive that video, the video that we want. So as you can imagine, we will have to upload that video, to select that video from our photo library. So just our normal photos right here. So if you want to send a normal video from your camera roll, you can just send it. If you want to download any video from the internet, from YouTube, from whatever, you can just download using your iPhone. Go to Safari, whatever, just download any video that you want. It's going to be right here in your photos, and then of course later you can just go ahead to your messages, select that video, and then send to yourself, and then you're gonna get a copy of that, of course, on your Apple Watch. That's it. How cool is that? Let me show you in action. So as you can see, I have already sent that video to myself. Okay, so let's see on the Apple Watch. So just pick up your Apple Watch, and then you're gonna go to your settings, and then in your own conversation, so the conversation we're doing talking to ourselves, you're gonna see the file duplicate here. Take a look at that, and that's the video. So you just hit play on any of those, and then it's gonna start playing with audio. Of course, it's not gonna be super loud, but as you guys can see, there's audio. And yeah, that's pretty much that. You can tap to play and pause. You can move your digital crown to change the volume as well. So very easy. And as I showed you, and as I told you, it's gonna be downloaded on your Apple Watch, so you can watch any of those videos offline. Let me prove it to you. I'm gonna go here to my control center. I'm gonna put my Apple Watch in airplane mode, meaning that there's no connection to the internet or anything like that. And again, I can just go ahead and play it. So playing again, no problem, working, playing with video, with audio, and everything like that. So then, as I said, this is a very nice workaround that you can very easily download a movie, a video, whatever, from your iPhone, send it to your Apple Watch, and you can watch it on the go, even without internet connection, even if you don't have your iPhone around. It's gonna be downloaded in the Apple Watch internal memory. So very cool, very nice. That's a quick video that I wanted to show you. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you back in a few days. Bye-bye.